firm to build its core competencies, the firm may use the capabilities satisfying four criteria of sustainable advantages. Firstly, valuable capabilities help a firm neutralize the threats in its external environment and help exploit opportunities. And rare capabilities that are not possessed by many other competitors support the valuable capabilities create more value to customer. However, valuable but not rare capabilities are sources of just the competitive parity when other firms eventually obtain the original firm's valuable capability. Costly to imitate capabilities that are unique organizational culture or brand name or ambiguous cause how the firm developed their capabilities to become core competencies. As an example of Southwest Airlines, which has been developing more sophisticated interpersonal relationships and interpersonal trust and friendship among managers, suppliers, and customers in terms of more social complexity. Non-substitutable capabilities are capabilities that do not have strategic equivalent. If two firms can pursue the same strategies, although both firms have different types of resources and capabilities, the capabilities are substitutable. Usually, firm-specific knowledge based on intangible resources, complex organizational culture, and superior execution of chosen strategy or business model are hard to be substitutable. There are outcomes from combinations of the four criteria that show the competitive consequences and performance implications. The managers should consider to develop better capabilities to reach the better target goal shown in this chart. Another tool we can use in terms of internal analysis is the value chain analysis. Value chain analysis helps a firm and its managers to understand entire firm activities from input to output, whether the activities create values or not. By managers understanding the cost position, efficiency level, or effectiveness of the activities, they may identify and decide to facilitate proper strategies based on value chain analysis. In this value chain model, there are primary and support activities. Primary activities are involved with a product physical creation, sales and distribution to buyers, and product service after the sale, while support activities provide the assistance necessary for the primary activities to take place. Most important aspect of the value chain analysis is to identify resources and capabilities that allow the firm to perform superior activity than other competitors, or to perform a value-creating activity that other competitors cannot complete. I'm pretty sure that you have enough information and knowledge about the activities in each primary and support activities. Please refer to next a couple of slides to review the value-creating activities you have learned from previous other business courses. Now we think about outsourcing and reasons to use it. Outsourcing is the purchase of value creating activity or activities from external suppliers. We see and we know so many examples of outsourcing in many industries. So many firms outsource their customer centers in IT and communication industries, and many manufacturing firms outsource some elements that are relatively not important. By performing fewer capability, a firm can remove some inefficient activity and concentrate on the activities that are most efficient and effective. By the business policy and strategy point of view, outsourcing helps firms enlarge the scope of business by having outside experts, especially from other countries, so that the firm can develop world-class capabilities in a wide range of applications. In addition, firms may achieve re-engineering benefits by embedding outside technology and reduce the risk that might be higher if a firm directly invests to the activity and develop by itself. Then, when do firms need to outsource or do not need? Firms outsource are highly recommended when they possess a core competence and seek greater value. And many research and studies suggest that a firm do not outsource when the firm itself can create and capture value, and do not outsource the activities are used to necessary to the neutralize environmental threats, and do not outsource critical capabilities or activities that stimulate the new capability development. Although firms understand their strengths and weaknesses by internal analysis, firms need to remind that core competencies won't be a source of competitive advantage forever and become core rigidities. So firms, by external and internal analysis, need to determine what the firm can do for long-term competitive success. Please consider the case discussion and business strategy exercise. Thank you and see you next time.